I think it's very clear that we are attracting attention from the widest possible spectrum of students. We are getting large numbers of applications from way outside the metros and all the states of India and different school systems as well. So it's going to be a very diverse class. So the south is doing very well, the east is doing well, and most of the towns outside the capitals in those states are doing very well. So we were always known for the liberal arts, but the liberal arts includes the sciences. We've always maintained that. We've had computer science from the first day. And now with the announcement of the School of Advanced Computing and many other initiatives, it's very clear that interest in computer science and the sciences at Ashoka is peaking at this point. I think it's very clear that industry and employers want a particular kind of skill set, which traditional options simply do not provide. And this is something that Ashoka actually pioneered in 2014. And now it's become widespread knowledge that this is the way to go if you want to be a knowledge worker in the coming economy. So this has always been our key proposition to students. We have more than 250 combinations available. You are not constrained by a particular stream. You can choose to major in one discipline, minor in the other. You can choose a few courses for one discipline while majoring in the other. And that is something that has always been unique to Ashoka. So we are very proud of that. I think awareness of the new scholarships has spread. The fact that we are offering merit-based scholarships, means scholarships, apart from our normal need-based scholarships, that awareness has spread. We are seeing that in the kind of backgrounds of the students who are applying to us this year. So that's actually something that we really wanted, and we seem to be succeeding in that. I think it's going to be the biggest, the best, the most diverse cohort that Ashoka has ever had, and that's saying a lot because these are things that we've always striven for.